Writing JavaScript code is one thing, but learning how to display it correctly is what makes you the boss. Let me show you the 5 ways you can do it. We're going to start with console.log. I'm going to come over here, write console.log. Then inside of it, I will say hello. So I'm going to save this, and you'll notice that nothing displayed in our browser. Now, the big question is, where exactly can we see our code? To see our code, we have to right-click inside of our web page. Go to Inspect. With the top project, click on this place. Then you see our code. Developers use the console to check if their code is working correctly. Display messages using console.log. See errors or warnings when something breaks. So it's like your JavaScript lab, a safe place to experiment, test and debug without touching your actual web page. The second in our list is alert, and I'm sure you've seen me use this method in our past videos. Let me still show you how to write it. You can say alert, then inside of the parentheses, you can write. Immediately I save this, you will see an alert of hello Ucenth from alert. So this is strictly used whenever you want to pop up something to the user. The third in our list is document.write. This particular method ties directly into your web page, but only use it for test. Let me show you how you can write it. Document.write and double quotes. I will write, let's save and see the output. For this, we are writing directly inside of our web page. Never use it apart from testing purposes. The fourth in our list is text content. Use this when you want to write plain text into your HTML element. For this, let me just create a H3 HTML element. I will not write something inside of it. I'll come over here and give it an ID of Ucenth. IDs is what your browser uses to know the exact elements to output your code. In this case, whatever thing we write will be outputted inside of this HTML element. Over here, you will notice that I'm using document.getElement by ID because I want to get the element of this ID. I'll copy Ucenth and put it inside of this particular place. Then after that, I'll write our output method, which is the text content. Then I will say equal to hello. So immediately I save this, you see hello Ucenth some test content. Let's head over to our last method in the list, which is inner HTML. For this, I'm not going to clean this. I still want to leave this here because I want to show you something. So I will write document.getElement by ID. For this, I'm going to create a new H3. Let's just give it an ID of demo. I'm going to write demo inside here. Now you notice that for the text content and for this inner HTML we are writing is completely the same thing. The only difference there is we are writing .inner HTML and this one is .inner text. So I want to show you something. I'm going to say break me. I want to put in a break HTML code. It will work here, but it will not work in our text content. Notice that our break has worked. But for the text content, I'll come over here and write. But when I break this, it did not work. So the difference between the text content and the inner HTML is you can write HTML code directly inside of the inner HTML and it works. Then there's this last one I want to show you. Let me just call this one a bonus. Instead of writing inner HTML, you can actually say inner text. The inner text is similar to text content because it still doesn't write inside of your HTML. Let me know in the comment section your best output method and don't forget to like and hit the follow button for the next video.